Good morning guys, what's good? I hope you guys are all doing well, smashing your projects as usual. So film is trending again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a brand new reusable film camera that's going to be perfect for beginners or entry-level users from one of our favorite camera brands, Kodak. So in this video I'll be going over some of the specs, I'll be showing you how you can get your camera ready for use and how to load the film, and make sure you guys stay until the end of the video because I'll be showing you guys some sample images with a model. So the Kodak F8 is a brand new plastic reusable film camera that takes 35mm film and comes in a variety of different and cool colors. It has a fixed focal length of 28mm, a fixed aperture of f8, and it has a shutter at 1/120 of a second. The camera is focus free with a minimum focus of 1.2 meters, which means you guys won't want to get too close to your subject, otherwise it won't be in focus. So always make sure you're at least at 1.2 meters away. And the same if you guys want to take a selfie and you don't have monkey arms like me, then it's probably not going to work. To load the camera, open the door here, push out the film rewind crank, and now you're able to insert your 35mm film in the film chamber. Now push this down and the film will be locked into place. Now take out the film leader and bring it towards the take-up spool. Then use these tabs here to hook the film onto the spool with the first and second sprocket holes. Make sure to hook the film onto the tabs above again using the sprocket holes. Close the door and you're ready to go. It's that easy. Then to take your first picture, all you'll need to do is turn the advance wheel until it stops turning. Click the shutter button and do this again until it says 1 on top, and you'll be ready to take your very first shot. If you're planning on using the flash, put the AA alkaline battery in the battery compartment. Then all you'll need to do is slide this toggle here, wait for about 10 seconds and the red light to turn on, and your flash is ready to use. If you change your mind and decide you don't want to use the flash anymore, you can simply just turn it off again by sliding the toggle. So this camera is super light, you guys, weighing just 115 grams. It's perfect for taking on the road with you. You'll be able to buy an ISO of 200, 400 and 800. So depending on what you guys are going to be shooting and where you're going to be shooting, for example like this, it's probably going to be perfect with 200 and 400. If you guys are outdoors, then indoors you guys might need to get 800. If you guys are not planning on using the flash, you won't need to worry about the battery, as the film transport is manual and it works by winding and rewinding the film. Here comes the fun part, unloading your film. At the end of the roll, when the film no longer advances, press this rewind button here. Turn the rewind knob clockwise. You'll feel a loss in tension when the film has been rewound. Lift and remove the film. Okay, so 3 days ago I went to the store to go and get my film developed, and I just got an email back from them with the link to download the pictures. I love them. I also really fell in love with the process of winding and rewinding and clicking one picture and being satisfied with it. And then you also have the mystery and the anticipation of waiting for the pictures to get developed. And just look at these, the red flare, like how did we get there? So am I going to replace my mirrorless camera and my 15mm f1.2? Definitely not. Definitely not, no, because that's not what this camera is for. This camera is not about getting the sharpest image and the highest megapixel count with the blurriest background. That's just not what it's for. This camera is for taking memories, taking authentic memories and capturing something that you can look back on. You can even pass down to the generations to come. Something that you can physically touch and remember and show. But am I gonna use one of these? Hell yeah, I'm gonna be using one of these on every special trip I go on, every special holiday with special people and things that I wanna remember, and just taking some cool Kodak moments like I always used to say, which is really funny how I'm working with them now. I'm gonna be taking these on crazy nights and fun adventures and funny times that I don't want to forget, because after all, wasn't that what it was always about?